Welcome back. Let's talk about some seed starting of some basil. I grow over winter on some windowsills is my basil, and I just want to get things started potting up using the soil that I prepared like I always do. 1/3 compost, 1/3 peat, and 1/3 seed starter. Don't forget that I like to boil the water so that I can kill off any of the gnat eggs that are in every bagged soil. I fill up my little seed starter cubes, tap it down a little bit. I'm going to start with some dark opal basil. I like the look when I'm preparing it. I like to cook, and I like to have a little different presentation. Basil seeds are real tiny, so I'm going to overseed in each one of these little cubes, my little seed starter pots. I'm also going to put some sweet basil in one of them. Like I said, don't forget, keep your soil moist before you put the seeds in. That way the dry soil doesn't suck the moisture out that should be going towards your seeds now. So I'll put the sweet basil seeds in, and then I'm going to take a little bit, just a tiny bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch, about almost a half or so of a centimeter, just a little coverage over the top. Tap it all down. I'm going to label and put the labels into each one of the pots. That way there later on I know which one is which, although it'll be pretty obvious in this case. One will be green and 2 will be purple. I place the seed starter pots in a tray, and I fill the tray with a little water on the bottom to do some bottom watering. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blues garden tips. Thank you very much.